Hello friend, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Haq Faizi, Department of Chemistry, LS College Muzaffarpur. Today in this video, I am going to explain about nomenclature of fused heterocyclic compounds. What does it mean? Okay, when two heterocyclic compound combine together or one benzene ring combine together, so what types of compound will form and how you will do the nomenclatures. So naming a fused heterocyclic system composed of two monoheterocyclic units or benzoheterocycles fused with another heterocycle ring is based upon considering one system as the parent base and the second is considered as a substituents. So this is the methods name of the substituents. If you have two, then one name of base ring, another is name of substituent ring. Minor ring in the bracket number letter, 2 number 1 letter, and name of base ring, then major ring. So here is minor ring, here is major ring, in between number and letter. Just remember this. Now the name of the minor ring is derived by writing a contracted prefix for the substituent ring presents. If furo from furan, imidazo from imidazole, pyrido from pyridine, pyrimido from pyrimidine, thieno from thiophene, pyridazino from pyridazine, pyrazino from pyrazine, chromino from chromine. So these rings system nomenclature become like that, furo, imidazole, like that. Now the number indicate which atom in the minor ring are common to the major ring. This number fusion site in minor ring, where is the common in both ring. The order of the number indicate which atom of the minor ring is the encountered close to atom 1 in the major numbering system. This number may be written in ascending or descending order, 2, 3 or 3, 2. Now the letter define the position of attachment of the minor ring to the major ring, fused site in the base components. Finally, a suffix indicate the name of the base ring is written. So let us start the process. The numbering system for the whole fused system is not the same as the number in the square bracket. There are 3 numbering system, one for minor ring, one for major ring, and the third is for the system as a whole. Now the selection of parent or base ring is based on the following rule, which are applied in order. A heterocyclic ring containing the heteroatom occurring earliest in the order NOS, nitrogen first priority, second oxygen. Ring containing nitrogen preferred to the ring does not contain nitrogens. Now take this example. Now this ring and this ring, both ring are heterocycle, and both ring common point is here, one common bonds with the 2 atom. So this is 6-member ring and this is 5-member ring, but this ring contains sulfur and this ring contains oxygens. So according to priority order, nitrogen, then oxygen, then sulfur. So this ring become more priority than this ring. So this one is a parent ring. O preferred to sulfur, furan. So do the nomenclature of the minor, and that is the parent. Now you see the attachment is attached, two position is common, 2 and 3. It is 2 and this one is 3 with the bond, this B bond, and 3 and 2 is the common, so 7H here, 2 hydrogens here, 7H. What is the name of 7-member ring? Thiopyrano. This is thiopyrano. Now it's attached with the furan through 3-2 common bond positions, and B is the bonds, and the parent furan. So complete name is 7H thiopyrano 3,2B furan. Take the another examples. Now this ring is